This is question number 9 of quiz 5. A utility function is given by u equals a square root of m times b, where b represents quantity of books consumed and m represents magazines. This utility is shown via different curves in the diagram to the right. The level of utility at point bundle T is and the total level of utility at point W should be when compared with point T. So this question actually should be very straightforward to solve. So looking at point T, we notice that point T, the quantity of books is 15 and the quantity of magazines is 20. So that means B equals 15 and M equals to 20. And then we can simply substitute these two numbers into this function, utility function, and solve out the level of utility. So that's how we solve this question. It's the logic and the steps are very simple, and we just need to take the square root of the product of these two numbers. Basically, let me write down what I just said. B equals 15, M equals 20, and U equals to M times B square root of that. Hence, this equals 20 times 15, and this equals 300 square root of 300. If I pull out my calculator, this will give me 300 of square root. I don't think I have the square root sign specifically for this scientific calculator, but what I can use is root of that, square root of 300. So I just take this y square root of x and makes y to be 2, and then that's square root of x. So this gives me 17.32. So let me see whether setup asks to round your answer to one decimal place. So what I should write down is 17.3. 17.3. Alright, so let me put down that number into and then that's the first question. The second question, the total level utility at the point W should be so we have it's getting worse. No, we have three choices: greater, smaller, the same. But notice that W is actually on the same indifference curve as point T. So that means the level of utility should be the same as point T. And then check my answer. Your input is correct. Alright, so that's it for this question.